Subscribe to Jazee's recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everyone, I am Jazla Ismat and welcome to Jazee's recipes with another wonderful recipe. Yes, today I am going to show you how to make brownies and their combination of fudgy and cakey. These brownies get better with ages, so try to make them a day ahead when you want them to be tasted. Let's quickly start exactly how you should start the process to bake the perfect brownies. Take 115 grams of melted warm butter, so you can always use to heat the butter on a microwave just to make it easy. Next, take 225 grams of powdered sugar. What I have got here is half white sugar and the other half brown sugar. Now take both sugar and melted warm butter and beat them together. Then take 3 medium-sized eggs and add them to the mixture. Make sure you add 1 egg at a time, not all together. Also, beat the mixture for 1 minute after each addition of the eggs to the batter. Now you can see a lightened color batter after beating for 3 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and again beat for 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Take 135 grams of flour, 65 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and sieve them together. Mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. As soon as everything starts to look smooth, stop mixing it. It will look so beautiful and you will be tempted to stir, but you do not want to ruin the crumb. Finally, add 75 grams to 100 grams of chocolate chips and fold together. Now pour the mixture into the greased baking pan. Finally, bake on the middle rack of your preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And depending on your oven, heat times may change for you. You can use a toothpick to check whether the brownies are done. At the beginning of 25 minutes, start to check whether the brownies are done. You can insert a toothpick in the middle of the brownies and take out. If the toothpick is still coming out with a little batter on it, yes, you are done with the perfect brownies. Now the brownies are done and ready. Do try this at home and let us know how you liked it. Don't forget to share and like Jazee's recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe for more recipes. Thank you as always for your support and stay tuned for more from Jazee's recipes.